here it is, the video you've all been waiting for. My system. But today, even with beautiful hardware in it, don't mind the stock cooler, you know, beautiful shrouding, LED fans, nice fan controller, just a top view there for you, down in my grate. I'm making an upgrade. Let's start from the beginning, shall we? Intel i3 4160, dual core, 4 cores hyper-threading for 3.6 GHz. Corsair H75 to cool it. Nice 120mm rad water cooler. It's going to have an Corsair AF120 white LED replacing that fan, and an SP120L in the back for a nice push-pull configuration. 2 Corsair static pressure 120 LED edition, of course, blue, which will go in that top grate, and the aforementioned AF120 LED white, which will go there. So without further ado, let's get started on taking this apart and making it better. Okay, so here's the inside of the beast. First off, we'll start with the side panel. We've got a blue LED strip on the upside here, leading into the power supply. And I've got this custom made window on the mid-side, and apart from that's pretty bog standard. Now let's move on to the computer itself. As you can see, I've done some shrouding over these drive bays. You can see them in there. I've got this shroud on. I've managed all of these cables, my graphics card cable, PCIe 6-pin. You can see I've got 2 SATA hard drives plugged in, both 1TB each. 2 HyperX Fury DDR3 1600MHz RAM by Kingston, 4GB each. Right now there's a Pentium G3420 on that stock heatsink, soon to change. Bog standard, ThermalTake, black fan. The motherboard in this is a Gigabyte GA-B85-D3H, and this graphics card is a Sapphire ATI Radeon R7265. Now you can see I've done all this cable management, as limited as it is, and I'll see you guys once I've got all these parts off and I've installed the new cooler and fans. Okay, so I know I'd said I'd see you when I next installed the cooler, but I just want to show you what was actually under this. Not the greatest. You can see there my old laptop hard drive, just there, and my big desktop hard drive, each a terabyte, although this one is slightly older. Just a ThermalTake 500W power supply, came with a case, does the job, planning on switching soon. Molex where my lights plug in on the side window, and there's my little fan controller, and that's about it. So this time I will actually see you when I'm either about to install the new cooler or when I have installed the new cooler. Here we are. The upgrades have been done. You can see in there, beautiful water cooler H75. The 2 AF120s have moved, and the SP120s have migrated to the front. Just apart from that, same setup peripheral wise as before, and you can see there the new channel intro rendering out. Blender, of course. This will focus. There we are. You can see. Blender. See that? 4 cores. well, really 4 threads right there. We're running at 100% rendering, of course, on that beautiful little i3 4160 3.6 gigahertz. Just so as you can probably tell, this is just it's a little while after the first video was done, or the first part of this video. I actually had problems with the BIOS, so I had to get that repaired by M-Wave Australia. They were a great help. Got some wonderful new earphones, I'll be reviewing them soon. Soul Republic. Also, the shiny carrying case. And I think that'll be about it for this part of the video. So let's just end it by watching this happening. You probably will have already seen this by the time you actually started watching this video. You will have seen the complete version of this rendering. It's currently taking 40 seconds per frame. See there? That'll be about it for this video.